Hi viewers and friends. Welcome to my channel. Here you will learn about male fertility and sexual health. By watching this video you will find the amazing impacts of walnuts on male fertility and sexual health. Dear viewers, this is a very informative video. For detailed insight please watch the video till end. Today I am going to tell you the amazing impact of walnuts on male or men's fertility. Dear viewers, every man has a desire of prolonged and satisfied sex relations with their partner. For a healthy reproduction and chance of making females pregnant or baby born, quality and quantity of male sperms plays vital role. First of all, I enlist here some causes of infertility and low quantity and quality of male sperms. Heart diseases, obesity, brain disorder, diabetes, metabolism disorder, sleeplessness, immunity disorder, mood disorder. These diseases or disorders has direct impact on male fertility and sexual health. During sex or intercourse, good quantity of sperms increase the chances of entering in ovary and making females or women soon pregnant. Similarly, good quality of sperms means that the sperms are healthy, active and have extended lifetime. This increases the chances of healthy fetus and baby. To improve the quality and quantity of sperms, men spends thousands of dollars and rupees on expensive medicines and quakes prescriptions. As per research, the traditional medicines have much more side effects as compared to their benefits. Today I am going to introduce you with a natural solution and food for achieving good quantity and good quality male sperms with no side effects. This amazing and incredible men power booster food is walnut. Walnut has a very positive impact on male fertility. Among men who consume a Western-style diet, adding 75 grams, a bit over 1/2 cup, of walnuts daily significantly improved sperm quality, quantity, including vitality, motility, and morphology. This was confirmed by a study published in the Biology of Reproduction journal, University of California. Improve heart health. According to NIH, walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help improve heart health. Fresh raw walnuts are rich in amino acid L-arginine, and monounsaturated fatty acids, 72%, like oleic acid. It also contains EFAs like linoleic acid, alpha-linolenic acid, and arachidonic acids. The inclusion of these nuts in any diet helps prevent coronary heart diseases by favoring a healthy lipid supply. A study published in Metabolism suggests that consuming walnuts lowers the LDL or bad cholesterol and increases the level of HDL or good cholesterol. Researchers at the University of Munich Medical Center, Germany found that consuming walnuts also reduced ApoB levels, a marker used to evaluate the risk for cardiovascular diseases. Weight management. Walnuts are one of those nuts that helps you feel full, which means that it increases satiety. Researchers from Harvard Medical School found that people who consumed shakes containing walnuts had an increased level of fullness during the day as compared to people who had placebo shakes. The rich source of protein and fiber makes it a healthy snacking option, especially for vegetarians. Brain health. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help improve memory and focus. Omega-3 fatty acids coupled with iodine and selenium ensure optimum functioning of the brain. These nuts are included in the Mediterranean diet, and they are also known to treat cognitive disorders like dementia and epilepsy. Control diabetes. People suffering from diabetes can have walnuts on a regular basis without any significant weight gain, since they contain a high amount of polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. Researchers say that the intake of nuts is inversely proportional to the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Improve metabolism. Walnut, along with EFAs, provide minerals like manganese, copper, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, and selenium to the body. These minerals help contribute to metabolic activities like growth and development, sperm generation, digestion, and nucleic acid synthesis. Regulate sleep. This nut makes melatonin, a hormone that helps induce and regulate sleep, and is present in the bioavailable form in them. In a research report, Dr. Russell Ryder, University of Texas Health Science Center, said that laboratory rats who were fed walnuts showed an increase in blood melatonin concentrations as compared to rats who were fed a controlled diet without the nuts. So, it's best to add walnuts to your dinner dishes to ensure a good, restful sleep. Boost immunity. Regular consumption of natural shelled walnuts helps in building a strong immune system, which can prevent the onset of various diseases. The rich source of antioxidants is responsible for this benefit. Mood booster. Lack of omega-3 fatty acids, provided by walnuts, causes hyperactivity, irritability, and tantrums. Supplementing a child's diet with these nuts compensates the deficit in EFAs and alleviates their mood. This is even applicable to people suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, who are battling depression and stress after a trauma. Finally, I would say that when you get rid of above-mentioned diseases or disorders by including walnuts in your daily diet, I am sure your fertility and sexual health will definitely improve. If you find it beneficial, please like, comment and share. For more information and updates, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.